Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a great day. So today I'm cooking an unsmoked gammon joint, boneless, Tesco, yeah, hand butchered. And I'm going to cook it in the air fryer. I've got some new potatoes as well, which I'm going to part cook and then I'm going to put them in a frying pan and just crisp them up a little bit. And got some normal potatoes there as well. Probably got something else to add to it because I don't know, gammon and potatoes. Don't know, might just have some gammon. See, why is it not coming in shot? Might have some gammon in a roll. And just have something easy, quick, easy Sunday dinner today. So there it is. Gammon is in the air fryer. I'm going to put it on at 200 for about it says it's going to take about 40 minutes, I believe, something like that. But the temperature might have to about 170 for 40 minutes. There you go, we'll check it along the way. Oh, you can't see anything. There you go. 170, 40 minutes. Somewhere in the middle. Start. There you go, just chopped them in half. Nice and easy. There we go, right. There you go. Right, just going to turn the gas on. Potatoes on. Easy. Right, and with this one, I'm just going to chuck the peas in there. They might be a bit frozen. There's some peas and sweet corn. There we go. Peas and sweet corn. Easy. I'm going to put them on a bit of a slow cook. We shouldn't have done, but I've chopped some bits of carrot up as well and chucked them in with the peas and sweet corn. But, you know. And as for the potatoes, they're coming on. 14 minutes in. Oh, wrong one. Down there somewhere. There you go. Coming on. Nearly done. I'm recording. So So as I was going to have some butter on my potatoes, I've decided just to even on my new potatoes, I've decided just to cook them in a frying pan and fry them in the oil rather than crisp them off a bit maybe. Okay, just going to let them do the thing in there. That's it. Bit of added flavour and crunch. Do you see that? Yeah. And the gammon is nearly done. Oh yeah, gammon's done, I think. Just gonna let that sit for a minute or two. I might just add a bit of few chilli flakes in there. A bit of flavour and a bit of pepper. They look alright, don't they? Right, hopefully you can hear me. I've had to record on something else because it's overheated. So trying to cut through them, eh? There we go. I'm going to hack the rest of it apart. Right, so I've just buttered a roll. There's a roll. Just gonna have a bit of that meat in there. Something like that. Just a bit of that in there. A little bit of gammon, maybe just there. Got a few potatoes. Not a lot. Not a lot. Well, there's quite a lot actually, saying that. Quite a lot of potatoes. And I've got some veg. Because I put the carrot in with the everything else. Looks like I've got quite an amount. I'm going to pop that in the microwave to cool down. And there you go. Sunday dinner today. With some potatoes. Probably got some somewhere. Where did I put it? Got a bit of that and a bit of that. So I'm going to have a bit of that one there. Campfire mayo. If you've not seen it before, there's some ingredients there somewhere. It's quite nice, it's quite like that. And I've got some peri peri mayo. And I'm just going to have a little bit of that as well. I'm just going to have a dollop of that there. And if I can get into it. There you go. And a bit of that there. There you go. So I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day today. And I'll catch you tomorrow, eh? I'll see you later. Bye bye. There you go. Dinner today. See if you can zoom that out a bit. There you go. That's a bit better. Right, potatoes, bit of peri peri. And a bit of the campfire mayo. With the bacon, or gammon should I say, with the gammon. Yeah. Sorry about my jaw again. One of these days I'll put my mic somewhere, well I might have to put it over here somewhere, so that you don't pick up all that noise from there. Right. Enjoy your day, people. Enjoy your day, people. I will see you later. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye bye now.